Hello netizens! Andito na naman ako sa aking alma mater.
Today is March 8th and we are lucky to be part of the celebration for the reopening of Laboratory High School of BISCAST.
This is Ina's vlog, my day-to-day experiences in life. This is Ina's vlog, my advocacy, my music, my stories. This is Ina's vlog. Let me share with you my world. This is Ina's vlog.
For official use only. Good morning. Good morning po. Yes, madam. I'm looking for my co-alumnus, Alumni Association of BISCAST.
Magbabago na naman ang pangalan ng BISCAST, magiging SEAUTech, Southeast
Ready na
Asian
kuhan.
University of Technology.
Ano da ang parada ta? Saan kita maduman? Ayan. Papunta na po kami sa Pagao, Bombon. Video ini. Ayan po ang mga participants. Hello po. Thank you, sir. Send kita kami ng balon. Ayan po. Nakuro ang balon. Ayan po, sir. Ito na po ini. Greetings. Start na po nag-caravan for the reopening of Laboratory High School of BISCAST. Now, SEAUTech.
Pwede yung papatason. May driver yan, yung blue.
Yeah, we have all the representation from to the employees. Of course, the student tree. And this is milestone of March 8, 2022. Ayan, ang daming activity po. Arts Month, President's Commission, Youth Campus Earth Moving Rights, Awarding Rights, Recognition Rights, launching of Laboratory High School, launching of automation initiatives, and launching of Strategic Foresight, Futures, and Innovation Office. And that's Auspicious Milestone. Andito na po kami sa lobby ng Summit Hotel.
Nominado, maibaba, tuminoy ang sa punduan. Naging sama, naging salog, naging kaugalian.
Comfort us.
This is Eda's vlog. Please share, subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you very much. Mwah. This is Eda's vlog.